Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be smoking some cheese on our Traeger Timberline 1300. We're going to be using the cold method, where we're actually going to take a block of ice, stick it underneath our cheese. I'll show you how we do that and get it smoking to some great kicking flavors. Today we're going to be using the hickory flavor, so sit back, relax, take some notes, and let's smoke some cheese. So, cheddar. Dubliner. Picked up some provolone cheese and some Gouda. And what we're going to do is just going to cut these up in blocks and have a little bit of fun with them as we go. And we're going to be using the Traeger Hickory Premium. Fire this bad boy up. And of course today we're going to be using the Traeger Timberline 1300, the big daddy of the Traeger line, to do some cold smoke processed cheese. So let's see how we're smoking going here. Should be about ready. I think we got it going on. And what we did was I had pre-soaked a pan full of water and froze it overnight. So it's a big chunk of ice sitting at the bottom of my cheese. Placed it on a rack. So the idea is to keep the cold. The idea is to keep the heat away from the cheese and keep the smoke going. So we're going to go ahead. Okay, so it's been about an hour now. So let's see how we're doing. Oh, we're looking good. A little bit of droop over here, and our ice is completely melted. So we'll go ahead and we'll pull this off. And what we're going to end up doing is we're going to separate this, pour out the old water, the hot water here. I got some old ice cubes to add in there, and we're going to flip everything over and put it right back in to get smoke all the way around. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so what we end up doing was we switched it out. We added the larger ice cubes along with some others, but I added the big ones because you want to keep it cool as much as we can. And we flipped. It's just resting right on the ice cube right now. We flip our cheese over and get the other side nice and well done. As far as the smoke goes, and it looks like my extra smoke never caught, so we're just going to go ahead and leave it with the hickory that we have going with our Traeger. And we have it on super smoke, and we're going to leave it for one more hour. Let's see how it goes. Okay, as you can tell, as we pulled these out, we still have some ice cubes, but they were melting, so I'm going to pull it off now. While it's still soft and malleable, I'm going to go ahead and wrap these up in the parchment paper. We're going to seal those up fairly tight, and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 3 days to cure and let all that flavor and goodness sit in there and really enjoy it and mellow it out. So I'll wrap these up. Okay, so after I went ahead and wrapped them in the paper, I went ahead and used the foil, kind of keep them separated, keep them a little bit more airtight, and let them rest for that 3-day period, and they're going to be incredible. If this was any value to you, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Ring that bell, because I'm going to open these back up in a few days. I don't want you to miss it on how well it tastes. I'll even add some crackers for you, maybe a little glass of vino. So, see you then. Bye.